welcome to Marine Connection. My name is Jess. The boat we're going to show you today is an absolutely beautiful 2006 Proline 24 walk-around. On the back it has a 225 E-Tec. You also got a boarding ladder on the back, entryway door here. Keeps everybody safely inside the cockpit area. Inside the floor, you'll see better in the pictures also, it has fish boxes on each side, one here, one there. Rod storage under both gunwales here. Storage compartment here. Live well. You'll see the boat has an absolutely beautiful hardtop on it. Spreader lights on the back with the rod holders. It's got a built-in electronics box up here, mainly just for storage. You can see all the electronics are flush mounted in the dash here. All your accessory switches. Captain's seat has a footrest here. Boat's in great shape. Has a bow cushion on the front of the boat also, so if someone wanted to ride up there. This boat is a true walk-around. You can see the walk-around is recessed into the deck area with a bow rail, easy to get up front. Let's go down inside the cabin and take a look. Down in the cabin here, once again, you can see everything's in great shape down here. It's very clean in here. Has the bow filler cushion, goes into place into here to make this into a sleeping area. Someone's looking to take a nap, or you have kids, someone wants to lay down. Very roomy in here, a lot of light. Here's all your canvas. The boat does have the full enclosure that encloses the entire hardtop area. So if you do get in some foul weather, great option to have. Well, I think it's time to fire up this 225 E-Tec, go out in the water, have some fun. Well, we've had a great time showing you this Proline walk around. You can see the E-Tec pushes it great. Boat's in great shape. It's going to make someone an absolutely beautiful walk around. Any questions, you can email me or call me. Have a great day. God bless.